I know नया जॉब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. But you know what's more difficult? Finding a good place to stay. That's why Ghar Pe is here to solve your problems, and I am here specifically to tell you your problems and give you the solution over here. So when you're looking for a flat, what do you look for? A spacious living room where you can enjoy with your friends, a big space where you can cook your tasty meals, a big wardrobe, a big bedroom, or a well ventilated flat, and also maybe you're looking for a clean washroom and a work from home setup. So I'm going to show you one by one what is there and why you are supposed to stay over here. So let's check it out. So let's see, whatever I have mentioned right now, is everything available over here or not. Starting with this big sofa where you can sit and chill. The sofa is so soft and comfortable that you can invite your friends and watch Netflix and chill, and also watch IPL because it's IPL time. We cannot miss that. We have a refrigerator over here. You can check. It's big enough to store all your food. We have a kitchen over here. The kitchen is modular kitchen. You have RO water over here, induction cooker, rice cooker, microwave, and all the things that you need in the kitchen. The drawers are over here. Here you can keep all your things organized, a spoon or whatever utensils you want. Here you can keep organized. You have many cabinets available over here. You can see the cabinets are over there also. You have a proper ventilation over here. Also, you can keep the dustbin over here. The dustbin is also provided, so you need to buy another dustbin for yourself. Okay, now there is a surprise for you. Should I tell you now, or should I make you wait till the end of this video? I think I should make you wait till the end of this video. Till then, let's check it out, the room where you're going to stay. So this is the room. You have 10 inches mattress over here. You can see the bedsheet is also there. It's a king size bed and it's very soft and comfortable. You have full size wardrobe available over here, and the mirror is also attached. The locker is also there. And over here also you can keep all your clothes and whatever belongings over here. We have a window over here. And also for all the work from home people, don't worry, we have a work from home setup for you. Over here you can work, you can study, and also there is a charging point over here. Moving forward with the washroom. The washroom is well maintained, clean, and it's hygienic. It looks like hotel-like washroom. So you can see everything that is provided in the washroom is of premium quality. So we don't compromise when it comes to quality. Now, the surprise I was talking about, it's here. You have a balcony over here, which is the best part of this room. Can check the balcony, you get proper sunlight, and the balcony is very spacious also. You can keep cute plants over here, or you can just decor, like that aesthetic kind of thing over here. It's very cute. I love this because whenever I am looking for a flat or something, the balcony is something which I prefer because I need more ventilation and air in my room. The TV is also over here. You have cabinets over here where you can store your things, and you can also keep some decor things over here. This is a place where you can keep your shoes and everything. This is also provided. So I hope you like this room, and if you like this room, don't forget to WhatsApp us in this giving number. And if you're looking for any specific area, if you're looking for a flat and you're not getting that, so you can WhatsApp us, or you can just comment down below. We will try to reach you out and we will help you out finding the best flat only for you.